Our drive to explore, constantly pushing our frontiers outwards, is etched into who we are. First spreading out across continents, carrying humanity around the planet, and creating a global, diverse species which accelerates our progress and innovation. Together we are now reaching out beyond the Earth itself, as we learn to live in low Earth orbit and explore new worlds beyond our home planet. Seeking answers to fundamental questions about our origins and our place in the universe. With ESA, a key enabler in the commercialization of low Earth orbit, creating new markets in medical and material science and winning new market share for European companies. These efforts by ESA are boosting the economies of our member states. Pushing these frontiers prepares us for an even bolder future. The Moon, humanity's next destination beyond Earth orbit. Our gateway to new knowledge, prosperity, and ambition. ESA is already taking steps to land on our closest neighboring world. Through our partnerships with Russia, we are preparing for a moon landing as early as 2022. The Luna 27 mission's precision landing on the Moon's largely uncharted southern polar area will be controlled by a European system called Pilot. The craft also carries an ESA instrument called Prospect, designed to penetrate the lunar surface in search of water ice. Such a resource might help us to sustain life at a new human outpost here one day, opening up new commercial markets for Earth-Moon transportation and payload delivery. A whole new world of opportunity is waiting for us here. Our neighboring satellite is nothing short of a geological time capsule, preserving a deeper history of our solar system and a greater insight into the origins of life. Our quest for such knowledge will benefit all of us. In partnership with NASA, ESA is already building the next generation of spacecraft that will carry human explorers back to the Moon. Engineers from across Europe are constructing the vital life support and propulsion systems for the new Orion spaceship. The craft is currently being prepared for its first flight beyond Earth orbit. Orion is our new bridge to deep space, returning humans there for the first time in almost 50 years. Their lives beyond Earth sustained by European technology. Europe's spirit of exploration carrying humanity further from home than any ever before. ISS partners already plan to develop a deep space gateway, enabling future human missions to the Moon and Mars. In preparation for the first human flights to the Red Planet, ESA is already paving the way there. Our Exomars mission has been in orbit around the Red Planet since October 2016, providing a high-tech telecoms relay from Mars for future missions, and searching the Martian atmosphere for evidence of methane and other trace gases, which could be signatures of active geological or biological processes. The second chapter in ESA's Exomars project will unfold in 2020, when a Russian rocket will carry an ambitious robotic rover to the surface to search for signs of life on Mars. Operated from Europe, the trailblazing rover will become the first to explore beneath the planet's surface, perhaps our best hope of finding signs of life, past or still present today. Such world-class science and technology will ensure ESA's place as a key partner to bring back samples from another planet, such as NASA's Mars Sample Return campaign. Without Martian samples to study on Earth, our curiosity about how life emerged in the solar system and whether Earth is unique might never be satisfied. These ambitious engineering projects will need to guarantee the return of pristine extraterrestrial material without contamination of the samples or the Earth itself. ESA's experience in biocontainment and Earth return capsule systems will ensure the success of such pioneering missions. These robotic missions will pave the way for the first human voyages to Mars later this century. For it is only through the human exploration of our neighboring worlds that we will fully appreciate Earth's past and the future fate of our home planet. Through Europe's tradition of exploration and innovation, we are helping to redefine humanity once more. Not just as a global species, or even as a multi-planetary species, but as a species which lives sustainably here on Earth too. With better health and well-being, zero hunger, clean water and sanitation, and affordable, clean energy for all. Such bold goals are only possible through the combined efforts of as many nations as possible. ESA's role, uniting the efforts of 22 member states, is our best chance of rising to these global challenges together, as many become one. It's time to take the next steps together.